Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see golden prawns recipe. It's a starter. For this we need 250 grams of prawns, deveined, cleaned and kept. In a bowl, I am taking the prawns medium size, not bigger ones, and adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Always for non-veg add turmeric powder and pepper along with salt, and then add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. All these what I am adding is all homemade only. Even turmeric powder I grind and keep. Then add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. This gives a spicy taste to the prawns, and for color I'll be adding Kashmiri Chilli powder, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. This is for the marination we are doing, and for coating time also we'll be adding ginger garlic paste. And add salt to taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon here, and mix it well thoroughly that all the pieces are marinated evenly. Water needs to be just sprinkled at the end. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder for taste, smell as well as color. This will not be that spicy compared to the chili powder which I added before. Add just few drops of water for it to nicely coat the masala for the prawns, and very little oil, so it becomes very glossy and fine. And these, when we are frying, it won't go to the oil. Keep it in the refrigerator for minimum 1 hour or overnight. 1 hour is also enough. See, it is ready. See, the coating is nicely seen on the prawn. And here again I am adding ginger garlic paste. This will give nice flavor to the golden prawn. For the coating, in a bowl, take 2 to 3 teaspoons of cornflour, 2 to 3 teaspoons of breadcrumbs, add half teaspoon salt, this is just for the coating, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you want color, you can add turmeric powder. I am not adding any red color and all, I just add turmeric powder for color and red chilli powder. Don't add red chilli powder more, otherwise it will not be tasty. It will become like burnt while we are deep frying. Only for the marinade I added, and this is just for the mix. Now take the prawn that was marinated and put it in the coating and rub it or dust it properly. For this I use this technique. You use a closed lid so that it evenly coats breadcrumbs and the other dry powders. So coat all the prawns and keep it aside. You can leave it to set like 15 minutes if needed, if you feel that the dusting is like about to fall or something like that. See, you put all the prawns in a single shot and mix it like this. You need not take each and every single piece and do that. See, I am placing it on the plate and leaving it aside. Now it's time to fry. In a pan, heat the oil, and when it is in correct temperature, you keep all the prawns one set. I mean that 9 or 10, because depending upon your kadai you can use. I put usually 9 to 10 pieces at a single shot, and it should be golden brown like this. Medium flame, never keep it at high flame. That's all, it's ready. The golden prawns are ready. Yummy ones. Enjoy it. If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.